This video will explain the Highlight Cell Rules function in Microsoft Excel. Highlight Cell Rules is particularly useful if you have a large chunk of information and you're trying to sort it out. So in this scenario, we have some made-up data. We have a series of dates, the number of visitors to a certain event, and the revenue brought in from those dates. There is a number of things you can do with Highlight Cell Rules. It can be found by clicking on Conditional Formatting and then going to the Highlight Cell Rules tab. And we have a bunch of different options. So let's say I want to see what days had more than 1,000 visitors. I highlight column B so Excel knows what range it needs to look at. I go to Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, greater than. And now I can say 1,000. Format With tells Excel how to identify to us which cells have fit our requirements. In this case, it is filling the cells with a light red fill and dark red text. Hit OK, and now we see all of the days where there were more than 1,000 visitors. Now we can clear that, clear rules, let's clear the entire sheet, and we can do more complicated highlights as well. So if, for example, I want to see only the data from the last month, I highlight column A, Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, a date occurring. Go to last month, and then we click OK, and we see that we have one date highlighted because we only have data from one day in the past month. Now we can clear the formatting, clear rules from entire sheet. And let's just do one more example. Let's say I wanted to see, were there any days where we had the exact same number of visitors? Again, we go to Conditional Formatting, Highlight Cell Rules, click Duplicate Values. Hit OK, and we see in column B, every time a number is repeated, it has been highlighted. We had 2 days where there were 7 visitors. And if we change that 7 to a 10, the 10 is no longer highlighted because there was only one day with 10 visitors, and the 7 is also no longer highlighted because its double has been removed. Let's just clear that. And that's essentially what Highlight Cell Rules does. If you input a certain parameter, Excel will highlight all the cells with values that match that parameter. You can play around with it. There's lots of different ways for you to sort your information, but that's basically all there is to it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.